So I can't wait, of course, to listen to him live. I'm very excited.
मेरे नश के कमल और पिया I think he always conveys a message of love, as we have seen in our Bollywood movies.
ਅੱਜ ਇੱਕ ਵੱਡੀ ਰਾਤ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਦੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਲਈ ਖਾਸ ਹੋਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਅੱਜ ਰਿਵੀਲ ਹੋਣ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਵਨਸ ਅਪਨ ਅ ਟਾਈਮ ਵਰਲਡ ਟੂਰ ਦਾ ਆਫੀਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਪੋਸਟਰ। ਇਹ ਸਿਰਫ ਇੱਕ ਟੂਰ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਵਿਰਾਸਤ ਦਾ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਹੈ। ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਸਤਾਦ ਨੁਸਰਤ ਫਤਿਹ ਅਲੀ ਖਾਨ ਤੋਂ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਵਾਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਹਰ ਕੋਨੇ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਇਆ। ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਰੋਸ਼ਨੀ ਆਈ ਰਾਹਤ ਫਤਿਹ ਅਲੀ ਖਾਨ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਵਿੱਚ। ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਨਵਾਂ ਰੰਗ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਨਵੀਂ ਪਹਿਚਾਨ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਸਟੇਜ ਤੇ ਰਾਹਤ ਫਤਿਹ ਅਲੀ ਖਾਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ਾਹਜ਼ਮਾਨ ਅਲੀ ਖਾਨ ਵੀ ਪਰਫਾਰਮ ਕਰਨਗੇ। ਇਕੱਠੇ ਇੱਕ ਹੀ ਵਿਰਾਸਤ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਾਉਣ ਲਈ।
From Bollywood to Brisbane is about to witness the magic of the maestro, the one and only Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. Now, this concert is taking place in Brisbane next month on the 23rd of July. This is a magnanimous concert and it's being organized by LKR Events here. This World Tour 2026 of Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan ji is called Once Upon a Time, and he is also performing with his son Shahzaman Ali. Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan is the nephew of the great Ustad Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. If you've heard the song Afreen Afreen, you know exactly who I'm talking about. Now, this genre of music is inspired by Sufi ghazals. He's of Pakistani origin, but he is known for his Bollywood playback singing. This music family is no ordinary music family. A little legend about the great Ustad Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan ji was that when he started producing music, he just had 3 instruments with him and a bunch of passionate people. Now, Rahat comes from that line of passion and skill. Brisbane, honestly, what are you waiting for? Book your tickets, and I can't wait to see you there at the Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan Once Upon a Time concert happening in Brisbane on the 23rd of July 2026, organized by LKR Events. Now, this event is happening next month, but right now I am at Bombay Dhaba at Mount Gravatt, and what's happening here today is the official poster launch and the poster unveiling for the Once Upon a Time World Tour of Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan ji. There is a lot of excitement in the air. This is a very exclusive invite-only event. Let's go and talk to everyone. And hey, here's what I'm thinking we'll do. Let's make a farmaish list for Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, so we can send it to him and tell him कि sir जी please हमारे लिए ये गाना गा दीजिए. And if there's something that you'd like to listen to, please leave it here in the comments and we will share it with Ustad ji. Let's go Brisbane and let's talk to everyone who's here today at the poster reveal. Sunny ji, this is a big deal. Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan ji is coming to Brisbane after quite a few years. How are you feeling about it? Are you starting to feel a bit of the hype?
Yes, he's a very one of my favorite singer. I think this is his fifth visit, so we'd love to see him very soon. I think it'll be full house. There's no space. Look like it. Thank you.
Definitely. Sanjay ji, do you have any favorite Rahat Fateh Ali Khan songs?
तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल को कर गए बेचैन. He's a very melodies singer, Sufi singer, and we love to see him and we're waiting for him to come as soon as possible.
All right, so here's what I'm going to do today. I am going to be asking everyone if there was one song that they could request Ustad Rahat ji to sing during the concert, what that would be. Sunny ji, give me a song जो हम फरमाइश कर सकते हैं उस्ताद जी को.
I love to listen Ore Piya.
What about you?
तुम जो आए, that's a very beautiful.
तुम जो आए.
जिंदगी में बात बन गई.
संजय जी, मुझे डर है आपकी आवाज़ सुन के उस्ताद जी कहीं भाग ना जाए ब्रिस्बेन से. Brisbane is known for its multicultural vibe. With me, I have Rose, who seems to be no stranger to the magic of Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan ji. So, Rose, what can you share with us about your interest in this particular genre of music of Rahat Fateh Ali Khan ji?
I would love to see the soul, and the vibe is so amazing, and the singer voice is heart touching. So I can't wait to see his live concerts. Amazing! Yeah, I'm so excited.
Ravi and Neeraj, who tell me they have literally grown up with the melodies of Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan ji. Pravi, what can you tell me about your love specifically for his genre of music, which is Sufi and ghazal inspired?
His voice is very melody, amazing vibes. Whenever I just like listen his song, I felt so much romantic. I love the song that called Ore Piya. Ore Piya. I love that song, and that's why I'm going to attend this concert. I can't wait to see him live.
I love it, and I love that you just went for it, and the song was like on the tip of your tongue.
That's my one of the favorite ones, so like I can't control to sing.
I know, and not only are you blushing thinking about the songs, but your husband Neeraj is also getting pretty excited over there. Neeraj, how are you feeling about this big concert that's coming to Brisbane next month?
Yes, well, I love music and I love live music, and singers like this are rare, and they're kind of one of its kind sort of singers. These singers have amazing voice with different frequency, and those are the successful frequency that has touched people's heart deep down. The way that they sing, it's just I cannot explain that in words, but we have grown up with songs like this in our life, and we have cherished them so much. So I can't wait, of course, to listen to him live. I'm very excited.
Now I'm putting together a farmaish list, which is like a request list, and hopefully Rahat ji will see our video as well. Now tell me, if you had to request a song, what would that be?
तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन.
Pooja Grover, the Wonder Woman behind LKR Events, that is organizing the Once Upon a Time concert by Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan ji. Pooja, give us an insight into what it takes to organize an event of this scale.
Since my childhood, I was always passionate about singing and concerts. It was always attracting me all the time. And as I was growing up, I was thinking, I wish I can also organize a concert. And I think today is the day when I got a chance to organize such a versatile single show. Rahat Fateh Ali Khan Saab ji. I would request everyone to not miss the show and come and join on 23rd of July, Hillsong Center. Please contact Dry Tickets for your ticket information and contact the poster number for any information. We look forward to see you all there. Thank you, Shamin.
Thank you. Pooja, I just also want to take this opportunity to ask you, what are some of your favorite songs of Ustad ji?
I have a lot of songs. It's hard to say. The first one coming in my mind is Teri Aur Teri Aur.
Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan ji has a particular sort of frequency, as someone else actually coined it really well. What do you think his voice really conveys?
I think he always conveys a message of love, as we have seen in our Bollywood movies. He always passes love songs to all the audience, which is always appreciating by all generations. Doesn't matter, it's a kid, adult, or old people. Like, everyone loves him, I think.
Well said, Pooja. Thank you so much, and I'm sure Brisbane is super excited for the event next month.
Thank you. I will look forward to see you all.
Now, I'm chatting with two more wonderful people who are here for the poster unveiling of the Once Upon a Time concert happening next month. Reenu, what are you most looking forward to about the concert next month?
Oh, look, Rahat, he is such a good singer, and I'm always a fan of Rahat Fateh Ali Khan songs. And there are so many Bollywood songs he has sung. And one of my favorite one was is Main Jahan Rahun. And there are many. It's like the list can go on. So I'm looking forward to hear live from him. So that's going to be really, really, an amazing experience for me.
Raj, I want to ask you, music connects us with emotions sometimes we don't realize we have, and we associate memories with certain times of our life with certain music. Is there a time when you feel like aisa gana aaj suna jaye, like maybe you're going on a drive or you're thinking of someone?
Yeah, of course, absolutely. When you feeling that emotion, you're feeling, you're going through that feeling, and you certainly want to listen. You go, oh, that Ghana, that song really, really hits at heart. So you want to go there and listen, and he's amazing. I've listened to many of his songs. I couldn't tell you which one's my favourite, but he's amazing.
म्यूजिक की एक कनेक्शन होती है. राहत फ़तेह अली खान songs is something I love to listen to when I go on long drives. I'm joined here by Manmohan Singh, very interesting name, I have to say that. But Manmohan, tell me something. What is your impression of Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan songs?
First of all, he's not a singer, he's a great performer. And I went to many shows, and he's the one of the artists I like most. It will be surely sold out show in Brisbane, and my best wishes with Pooja ji and his event company.
I love how you said that he's not just a singer, he's a performer, and he's a very superior artist. What do you think sets him apart from the other singers that he works with?
No, entire team is good. Even his back vocalist artists, they are also good. And event industry has grown very, very well now. lots of singer in the market, and he's doing very well.
Rahat ji's show is called Once Upon a Time and he's known for his Sufi genre. आप ऐसे show में what are you going to wear, Vineet?
I am gonna trying to look into my wardrobe and dig the Pathani suit, which I'm thinking to wear this color, which I used to wear when I was very young in the uni time, and then people look. It has got its own swag, Pathani suit, and then I think he comes from a region which wears sort of Pathani suits, and he will also love it if people come in that dress code. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Sunny Bhai, Bhim Bhaiya as a national promoter, Sunny Bhai, Manmohan ji, Vineet ji, Gagan ji, Sunny ji, and Richa, everyone. Sorry if I'm not taking everyone's name, but thank you very much. It really means a lot to me. And I'm so glad you guys are supporting me with this event. And we'll look forward to see you all there. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pooja ji, for having a Rahat Fateh Ali Khan show in Brisbane. It's going to be amazing and going to be houseful, I would say that. So thank you so much for coming and supporting Pooja ji, and really appreciate that. Thank you so much, and see you on 23rd. Thanks.
Thank you everyone for coming in and supporting this event. So all these community events, they are not just events, they just bring everyone together. So everyone supporting everyone, and it builds a great team. And teamwork is a dream work. Thank you very much.
And one more thing I would like to add. Sydney's show sold out, Melbourne sold out, Adelaide doing very well, Brisbane doing very well, and also Auckland doing very well. Perth is 80% sold out. So this show also going to be sold out. So take your ticket as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thanks for coming here. I think the show will be fantastic, and all will enjoy the show. And thank you again. Bye. Thank you.
This is a sure sold out show. So everyone gets your tickets from Dry Tickets, and all the very best to Pooja ji and Bhim ji as a national promoter. Thank you.
So Brisbane, ये event is not to be missed. Especially I think Brisbane का रिकॉर्ड रहा है कि बहुत सारे लोग एकदम लास्ट मिनट में बुकिंग करते हैं. जैसे जलाम ने कहा कि भाई बुक कर लो, अदरवाइज ऑप्शन नहीं मिलेगा आपको. So please support the event. It's going to be fantastic, and already a lot has been sold out. So it's your time. So see you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja, to bring this event to us. And I'm so excited, looking forward to seeing the singer. And please come to join us. You will be feeling fantastic. And ticket is selling out, so don't miss out. Yeah. See you there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you, Vineet Bhaiya, for having us here. And let's see you all at the show. Thank you.
You have a very special connection to music. I'm sure everyone in Brisbane is witness to that. What is so special about Rahat ji's songs and tracks and voice?
I would say कि राहत जी की जो आवाज़ है वो दिल को छू जाती है.
music definitely, connects you, or, connects everyone's heart. But I think his voice is so connecting. That's why everyone loves him. And I'm super duper excited that he's coming to Brisbane on 23rd of July. So yes, it's really exciting to have him here.
फैंटास्टिक. नाउ तन्वी, हम एक स्पेशल फरमाइश लिस्ट बना रहे हैं उस्ताद जी के लिए, तो उसमें आप कौन सा गाना रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहेंगे?
Oh my God, it's really hard to.
You can sing it as well.
Oh, thank you. It's really hard to tell one song because उनके बहुत सारे songs बहुत अच्छे हैं, but the most favorite to me is मेरे रश के कमर. मेरे रश के कमर, मेरे रश के कमर, तूने पहली नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया. मुझे लगता है कि this night going to be rememberable for sure. जो लोग नहीं आएंगे, they're gonna miss out big time. So yes, every song is great, and yeah, we all should go and have fun.
A fantastic evening. There is so much excitement and people are really looking forward to it. The poster has been unveiled, the tone has been set. Brisbane, we'll see you next month on the 23rd of July at the Once Upon a Time concert by the one and only Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan ji, singing with his son Shahzaman Ali. This event is brought to you by LKR Events. We'll see you there, Brisbane.